Properties of natural resources. First, fill in the blanks with their appropriate words. 1. The capacity of air to hold moisture depends upon the humidity of the air. Second, water does not have a shape but it has still definite volume and mass. Third, while freezing the temperature of water is low, neutral solid has pH 7. Second, state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false implant. First, sand soil has a low capacity for holding water. True. Second, sea water is a bad conductor of electricity. False. Sea water is a good conductor of electricity. Third, the substance in which solvent dissolve is called a solute is dissolved is called a solvent. Answer true. The pressure exerted by air is called atmospheric pressure. False. When the molecules of gases in the air strike a body, they create pressure on the body. The pressure is called the atmospheric pressure. Third, answer the following question in 3 to 4 sentences. How light scattered by the air. A. Air is a mixture of very fine particles of some gases, dust, smoke and moisture. B. The ray of light fall on the minute particles. The particles spread the light in all directions. So the natural phenomena is called scattering of light. Second, what is the importance of good soil structure? Answer, the advantage of good soil structure are as follows. Answer A. The fertility of soil depends upon a soil structure. Roots get water drainage is good, and therefore the roots of plants grow well. Third, what is important of air and in transmission of sound? Sound is produced when something vibrates. The vibrating body causes the air in around to its vibration. When this vibration reaches our ears, we hear the sound. Thus, air is useful as a medium for transmitting sound. Fourth, a gas bottle is completely filled with water. It should be kept in a freezer. Explain why. Answer A. Due to the anomalous behavior of water, the water expanded when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. When the temperature is freezing below 4 degrees Celsius, the glass bottle completely filled with water is kept freezing. The water expanded. Since there is no space in the bottle to expand, the bottle is likely to burst. Fourth, what will happen if the amount of water vapor in the air increases? We will feel the dampness or humidity. Second, only one crop is grown repeatedly in the soil. The fertility of the soil will get diminished. And why it is said that air is an homogeneous mixture of various gases? Answer, the air is the air in the atmosphere around the earth contains the gas such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, inert gases, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide and water vapor. B. Therefore, it is said to be that air is an homogeneous mixture of various gases. Water is a universal solvent. Answer, water is capable of dissolving a variety of substances. That is why it is a universal solvent. B. What is called an universal solvent? Because it is dissolved more substance than the other liquid. Third, there is no relevant for water for cleaning purpose. Answer: water is good solvent as hence dissolve all dirt and grease. It is always essential compound for cleaning purpose such as for bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, for cleaning floor, etc. Hence we say there is no alternative to water for cleaning purposes. आज के लिए बस नहीं। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा। अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट्स में जरूर बताना आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा। तो तब तक के लिए गुड।